boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Megan Moroney, and am I okay? That's the question. I think I'm pretty okay, and I'm happy to be here to learn and teach this song here. And yeah, we're gonna play without any capo, no need for that. And we have pretty much one chord progression throughout this song here. We're gonna come to that first. Let's learn the chords. So we have A to start with, and that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next chord will be D, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the F sharp minor, which is a bar chord. You place your index finger on the second fret where you push down all strings. Then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. And for that chord, you're gonna go to the E minor G. That's what I would call it. And yeah, it's pretty much an E minor, but with the G sharp in the bass. So if you go from the F sharp minor, I would keep the bar there on the second fret and then adjust to add the fourth fret on E and the fourth on G. And I try to strum on these four strings, E, A, D, and G. So the bass strings there. That would be the E minor G, and that's the chords we need to handle the song. So the main chord progression here will be A, D, F sharp, the E, G, and back to D. That will be the main chord progression. Now let's take a look in the strumming here. And what I would play for this song is to play just 4 straight down as one strumming round. So if you grab the first chord, the A, you're gonna play this. And here I would like to emphasize the third down. So I play on the bass strings for all the downs, the first, the second, and the fourth. But the third down, I would like to go down on the higher strings to have some color through strumming and to emphasize that one, because that is where kind of the beat lies on that third down. So like that, all right? So one string around is 4 downs. So in this chord progression, you're gonna play A, 4, D, 4, F sharp minor, 2, then the E minor G, 2, and D, 4. That is one chord progression around. So like this. Again, A4, D4, F sharp 2, E minor 2, D4. All right, so that is the first verse. I played 2 rounds for you. That's exactly what you're gonna do. And yeah, it's actually no need to count rounds here pretty much. It's the same chord progression throughout the song. The only difference here when it happens something else is after the chorus. That means you play 2 rounds of the chord progression on the verse, and then you go into the chorus. You continue in the same way and play 2 rounds, and after these 4 rounds in total, you happen to be in the instrumental part. That part you're gonna play A minor 4 string rounds and D 4 string rounds in the same way as to start a new main chord progression round. But then after A4 and D4, you start to play the verse play. So you're back to the A again and start a new round from there on. So the instrumental part is pretty much A4 and D4, and then you're gonna play again from the beginning and just continue from there on. Okay, so that is pretty much how you play this song. You have this chord progression, it's the main one, and in instrumental parts, you're gonna play the A and D, and that is also how you're gonna end this song. After you play all of these rounds of this main chord progression, you're gonna play the A 4 string rounds, D 4 string rounds, and that's the end of the song. So yeah, am I okay? I think so. Hope you're too, guys. And if you enjoy this tutorial, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this one, and yeah, see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.